Drain protection is a commonly used term for methods used to prevent hazardous substances from getting into the stormwater system. Most of us will probably have no idea the complexity of the drainage systems below us. However, in most urban areas, runoff from the drains that we work around eventually flows into the rivers, lakes, or into the sea. In most areas of New Zealand, this runoff isn't treated before it is discharged into these environments. Therefore, any hazardous substances that go down the stormwater drains at our work sites could quickly cause serious harm to fish, animals, plant and bird life. Even small spills can have a wide and devastating impact. Using effective drain protection will prevent contaminants from causing serious levels of harm and keep them within your area of control. Drain protection comes in two forms, either as a filtration device that captures contaminants while allowing clean water to pass through, or in the form of a complete seal that prevents all liquids from passing through. The drain warden is a very simple yet effective measure for preventing silt runoff and rubbish from entering the stormwater system. Leave inserted as a short-term collection device, very easy to fit, just cut to suit your drain size, and it's just as easy to service. What are the drain wardens made of? A very tough geotextile that captures fines and solids while allowing clean water to flow through. What size are available? Just the one, because it can be cut to suit your application. How to use a drain warden? Well, simply download our instruction guide here. The other question is, are they reusable? Yes, but for a limited amount of time only. While they can be washed out, the drain warden fabric will eventually become clogged with fines and need to be replaced. The Storm Sentinel is known as the adjustable catch basin, a self-supporting unit that sits out of sight below your drain grate. The Storm Sentinel is one of the most effective ways of preventing sediment from entering the stormwater system. The oil-absorbent media inside ensures that small hydrocarbon spills are captured on their way through. What are the Storm Sentinels made of? Well, it's a tough geotextile that captures fines and solids while allowing clean water to flow through. So what size are available? Well, we've got a round Storm Sentinel and a square one, which I'm holding now. Now these have adjustable sides that can be positioned to suit the size of your application. The final question is, are they reusable? Yes, they are, but only for a limited amount of time. While they can be washed out, the nature of the fabric will eventually become clogged with fines and need to be replaced. The Control Code Polyurethane Spill Berm. It's fast protection for when a spill is headed right for your drain. Just place it in front of the spill to securely contain the liquid. Ideal for applications such as spill response, temporary secondary containment, and sealing of doorways during washdown. What size are available? Just the one, a 3 metre length, but you can easily join multiple lengths together to form a longer barrier. How to use your spill berm? Simply unwrap from its protective packaging and strategically position around the perimeter of the drain or the unit that you're looking to form a barrier around. Are they reusable? Due to their strong polyurethane construction, the Control Code Spill Berm can be washed and if placed back into its protective packaging, can be stored ready for use again. The Nitrile Drain Protector is economical drain protection made easy. It's a very valuable addition to any spill kit. This cover has great resistance to oils, petroleums and mild acids. So what sizes are available? The Nitrile Drain Protectors come in standard sizes of 600 by 600 and 1000 by 1200 mils. Custom sizes are also available from us here at Hazero. How to use a nitrile drain protector? Remove from its protective pouch and place strategically on top of the drain. For a tighter seal, you can place a solid weight or weights on top of it to keep it in place. The next question is, are they reusable? Yes, as long as they remain flexible and are kept clean. So this is the polyurethane drain protector. Ultimate protection, reusable time and time again. A solid but flexible material that gives you an unbeatable seal against the harshest chemicals. Reusable, reversible and environmentally safe. So what size are available? Well, there's two. There's a 600 by 600 mil and a 900 by 900 mil. Then how to use a polyurethane drain protector? Well, you can download our step-by-step instruction guide here. The final question is, are they reusable? Due to their strong polyurethane construction, the polyurethane drain protectors can be washed and if placed back into their protective packaging, can be stored ready for use again. This is the drain protector storage case. Keep your drain protector visible, accessible and clean. Clearly labelled and constructed from UV resistant PVC. Now note, these are specifically for the polyurethane drain protector seals. What sizes are available? Well, there's two. There's one to suit the smaller 600ml polyurethane protector and one to suit the larger 900ml version. How to use your drain protector storage case? Simply place your drain protector into the case and place this unit in close proximity to vulnerable drains. Are they reusable? Yes, as long as they can be kept clean and undamaged. So what workplaces need drain protection? Well, any worksite that stores or uses hazardous substances and has drains that are exposed to these substances and drains that aren't protected by an existing filtration or trade waste system. At Hazero, our mission is zero hazards. Our extensive range of quality products will help you store, contain and control and clean up dangerous goods and hazardous substances. We hope you found this video helpful. To learn more about drain protection and how it can help you create a safer working environment, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.